Hello students, welcome once again to our channel. In this video, we are going to see class 12 physics, chapter 1 electrostatics, one mark question and answer, important points. This is the part 12 of this video series. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Let it be helpful to them too. Come on, let us move on to our lessons. Energy density small ue is equal to capital UE by volume, or UE is equal to half epsilon naught capital E square. This is another expression for energy density. Next point, energy density depends only on the electric field and not on the size of the plates of the capacitor. Now have a closer look at this expression. Here 1, 2, epsilon naught, all these things are constants. So UE, that is energy density, depends only on electric field and not on anything else. Next point, capacitors are used in heart defibrillators that are used to retrieve the normal heart function. Next one, capacitors are used in the ignition system of automobile engines to eliminate sparking. Next one, capacitors are used to reduce power fluctuations in power supplies. You might have come across a situation at your homes. Voltage goes up and down. It is called fluctuation. So to reduce such type of fluctuation in power supplies, capacitors are used. They are used to increase the efficiency of power transmission. What does it mean? When power is transmitted from one station to another station, there is a loss of power. So to reduce such things, capacitors are used in power transmission. Next one, the stored energy in the capacitor when the capacitor is disconnected from the battery. U is equal to U naught by epsilon r. Here, this U is less than U naught. It means the stored energy becomes less than the stored energy which was there earlier. After the dielectric is inserted, stored energy decreases. What does it mean? What is meant by a dielectric? Dielectric is an object which doesn't conduct electricity. So after the dielectric is inserted in between the plates of a capacitor, the stored energy decreases. That's why U becomes less than U naught. Next one, the stored energy in the capacitor when the battery remains connected to the capacitor. Means it is not disconnected but it remains connected. In that case, U is equal to epsilon r U naught. Here U becomes greater than U naught. That means after the dielectric is inserted, in this case, stored energy increases. Now let us continue with another point. Here, when the capacitors are in series, what is the expression to calculate the equivalent capacitance? It is 1 by Cs. S stands for series, is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. When the capacitors are in series, the inverse of the equivalent capacitance. This is the equivalent capacitance. So 1 by Cs means inverse of the equivalent capacitance is equal to the sum of inverses of each capacitance. Next one, when the capacitors are in parallel, Here the equivalent capacitance is nothing but Cp is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Here P stands for parallel. Next point, when the capacitors are in parallel, the equivalent capacitance is equal to the sum of the individual capacitances. Next point, in series connection, the equivalent capacitance is always less than the smallest individual capacitance in the series. Now, let us consider three capacitors with capacitances 1 farad, 2 farad and 5 farad. Among these, this 1 farad is the least. I mean the smallest capacitance. So, in series connection, the equivalent capacitance should be less than this smallest capacitance. Now, let us see how it comes. So, what is the formula? 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5. What is the LCM of all these three? 1 2s are 2, 2 5s are 10. In this 10, how many 1s are there? 10 1s. So 10 into 1, 10. In the 10, how many 2s are there? 5 2s. So 5 into 1, 5. In the 10, how many 5s are there? 2. So 2 into 1, 2. Now sum of them, 1 by Cs is equal to 17 by 10 comes. Now 1 by Cs is equal to 17 by 10 comes. Then what about Cs? Cs is nothing but the reciprocal of 1 by Cs. So the reciprocal of 17 by 10 is 10 by 17. Now if you divide it and see, the answer will come 0.5 farad. So this 0.5 is less than the smallest one, that is 1 farad. So in series connection, the equivalent capacitance is always less than the smallest individual capacitance in the series. So with this video has come to an end. Let us meet in the next video with another set of questions.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.